What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview tutorial of the Google Analytics service and how to use it. So Google Analytics is a service that is aimed for business owners that can give you insight and analytics on how your business is doing. So if you go here to Analytics, the Google Analytics, I'll show you how to access it in a second. And here you get some features of the platform. So here you can get some statistics on how your business and sales are performing, as well as some reports and data from Google Ads, Search Ads, and other platforms. So here to access Google Analytics, go ahead and enter Google analytics.google.com, or if you go here to the home page like google.com, any Google page that you are signed in with your Google account, go here to the apps, the Google apps, and scroll down. You'll see Google Analytics here, these three like golden or yellow lines. If you click on it, you will get directed to your analytics dashboard. So this is my main dashboard. I have it open right here and ready. So I'll close it here and we'll work on this tab. Okay. Now I've set up a test shop. So of course, in order to use Google Analytics, you need to have a business or a shop. In my case here, I've set up a dummy shop just to show you the benefits and tools you can use on Google Analytics. And here, no data received from my website yet because I have set up like a dummy website. And here is the home where I can see all my analytics, all my reports right here, an overview of my business. Users in the last 30 minutes, users per minute in the country. So this is like the visitors or the users of my website. It gives me like some insights of my users and their country numbers and so on. And here I have key events, event count, and new users. And I can view here the reports snapshot. I can view more in depth on this report, on these reports, sorry. And you can scroll down here to see all kinds of reports and insights that are built specifically for your business, including some like user activity over time, a demographic of like users per country, and so on. Here I can view the reports snapshots, or I can view them in real time. Of course, nothing is happening right now. And however, you get to see how the users or from where the users are entering your website right live on the map here. And you get as well some analytics. So here in the home, I'm in the reports tab, the home tab where I had all my like insights, my daily or my analytics reports updates. So my main inbox and stuff like that. And here I can get started with Google Analytics 4. I can go to set up the assistant, access the account, try analytics demo account, and learn about analytics in the skill shop. And here in the reports, as I showed you, I have all kinds of detailed reports. So it was an overview at the home. Now it's detailed. Life cycle, I have acquisition, I have engagement, and I have monetization. So I can view overview, events, pages, screens, so all kinds of details about some specific sections of my work. And here I can explain the Explore tab. I can create or start a new exploration, freeform, funnel exploration, or path exploration, or other types. I can view here the template gallery as well, or I can start from a blank exploration. Now advertising, so I can set up my Google Ads to start advertising. Here I can get started setting up Google Ads or some other advertising services. Now let's go back to our home. If we scroll down here, as I showed you, now we can try analytics, so access the account. Now this is a demo account that I will access, and they give me chat support as well. And I have here the limitations and all the features that I can manage, and I can also remove access to the demo account from my admin console, account access management, and remove myself. So this was like the demo account, how we can set up a demo account right here. And now let's go back again to the here the Google Help. Let's go back to the analytics home. and I can continue setting up my property. In that case, I only started like setting it up. And here the setup assistant, I have the steps that I need to complete to set up my property or my business. So collect website and app data. It's not started. I can turn on Google Signals, set up key events, define audiences, and verify consent settings. And I can link my Google ad accounts in order to have my ads as well. And I have some advanced options. And in the create here, I can create an account or create a property. So let's see what account creation will get me. I get the steps to create my account. Of course, here I need to set my account name and now enter or sign the account data sharing options and then click next, and it'll get me through the account creation steps. And let's go back. Okay, if I click on all accounts, I can see all my accounts. So I have 2 accounts, test accounts that I set, and each account I can view all the analytics and apps. I can open it here. Okay, and to the other account, I can open it as well. Now, if I go back to home, I can view some insights here, basic performance, some demographic info, as well as some user acquisitions and some other options. Now, in the reports here, I can edit the comparisons. So I can add a comparison right here that I can edit myself. I can compare between like all users, direct traffic, organic traffic, and add as many as I want. And now apply. And as you can see here, the comparison is now set. So it'll show me my statistics as well as compared to other data here. And I can share this report if I want to. Now I can view the insights or customize the report. So I can view or have the types of reports that are important to me to show up and the not so significant to not show up. And here I can add cards if I want to. So I can add cards like users, sort users by age to add it right here. And it will be added. So let's go ahead and search for it. Okay. So users by age, here it is. Now it's added. I can set it to users, new users, or returning users, and I can set also the key events or the setup for any card that shows me a report. Now here I have the switch product. I can switch between products from the platform home or the analytics. So I'm back into analytics home right here. And here I have the admin settings. So if I go to it, I'm on my admin console right here where I can access or edit all my settings. And in the create here, I can also create a property. I showed you the account settings. So I can enter the property name, the location, time zone, currency, and continue with the steps. So this was like a quick overview of the Google Analytics and its different features.